not in there.
Good idea.
When did you want us to do that?
Well,
On your
you
way.
said one, what, 1:30?
They're there at 1.
They're there at 1.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Is that far from here?
no,
No, it's on your way.
it's over 2 blocks and then on your
What if
way out.
we do that now?
From a reading program. Welcome, I'm our new
staying here?
computer instructor.
Oh, okay.
Goodbye,
How long are you
Greg.
staying? Are you
Thanks
buying
for
a
all the
house?
hard work.
If I see one, I might.
Nice house right next door here. Yeah. You want to go on a
Oh, because
tour?
I'm from the big city, but I
You are in the hub of the nation. Do you know that right now?
The hub of the nation.
This is the hub of the nation.
This is our official ambassador.
No,
Right
no,
here.
but I
Yes,
think
it
this is the
Yes,
hub
it
of
is.
the nation.
She knows everything that goes on.
This is where it's at.
this is where it's at.
Where it's at. This is where
Right
it
here.
all begins and ends.
Right here in Watford.
Yes.
We're here.
So you want to buy a house? Now the house next door is really nice. Really nice. Really nice.
It is a nice
Has a
house.
pool. Has a pool, yeah.
Can we go for a swim?
The one next door.
Yeah.
Can we go for a swim?
Apartment too.
I don't know, an OPP lives in it.
Yeah.
And I think you made the provincial government aware of what's going on already because they're talking now about making the doctors more aware or making them do something. Yeah, I'll let you describe what you think they're doing. Okay? Because I'm not sure. Not sure they are either. But other than that, we wish you well in your travels too.
Thank you. And if we can just pass this around, it's actually the symbol of everything that we're doing.
Goodness.
We've had thousands of people already carrying it past.
Somebody else carry that torch.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Looks kind of heavy.
Actually, no, it's not.
All walks of life. And just so sort of like luck.
Sandra, don't go
Go over here,
away.
Sandra.
Percy, Joyce, get over there.
I was on paper
why?
last week. It's somebody else's turn. Over here. Come on. Come up in the
Stand
center.
here. Stand center.
You were with Marcel Bobian.
Now everybody put your hands around the torch.
You can stand up. I'm really tall.
Everybody put your hand around the torch. George.
Oh, Sandra, you're going to have to move up one.
Yes, do move up
hot.
there. There you
Yeah,
go.
There
I
you
know.
go.
Hold your arm there. Hide my stomach.
That's probably the best picture you ever had taken.
Yep.
Right? Right? Are you sure? You sure that is?
All right.
Thank you.
Wonderful.
Everybody, so everybody can get a chance to carry it, okay? Who wants to be first? All right.
There we go.
Now be careful, though.
My hand over.
You're gonna drive still, right?
Sure.
We can get,
Oh, that. Oh, that part. Mine's gonna rub off.
Here you go. Here's some good permanent ones. Yep.
Do these ones squeak?
we'll find out in a
Your name is
second.
Matt.
Your name is Matt?
Did all you guys find the book?
That's,
All mine. This is easy. I can
that's my phone.
Cool. Ball.
Yeah, you missed a good one. Willie? There you go, buddy.
Thank you. And Kelsey. Forest.
For the night, yes. And then we're off to Stratford.
That's elastic.
Is that your daughter? Now, are you guys gonna put out a challenge to all the rest of the kids in Canada?
Yeah. What's the challenge anyway?
Singing competition, I guess.
What?
Singing competition, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna find out which town and city sang the best version of O Canada.
Oh, can we sing again now that you told us
Okay,
that?
let them sing it again.
Last one was Bridgetown.
Okay, we're gonna sing O Canada.
25th. We're the Watford Summer Program, and we're going to be performing something.
O Canada doing the Macarena.
Yeah.
O Canada.